F. Scott Fitzgerald famously wrote, "Let me tell you about the very rich. They are different from you and me." And that's what ran through my head when I learned that the board of OpenAI, the company that turned generative AI into a series of products, fired its CEO, Sam Altman. To me, Altman's synonymous with OpenAI. But not only did they fire him, they put out a release saying that he was, quote, "not consistently candid in his communications," end quote. Now, that may not sound very harsh, but for a board talking about an ousted CEO, it's brutal. Next thing you know, Altman turns up at Microsoft, the company that bought a 49% stake in OpenAI for $13 billion not that long ago, with CEO Satya Nadella putting him in charge of a new initiative. What's incredible is how fast Microsoft acted. They basically found out that Altman got canned when he did, something that, by the way, sent Microsoft's stock down $8 in after hours trading on Friday. And now, because Altman's fully on board, the stock's almost all the way back. Makes sense. This is the guy who led the development of ChatGPT, which popularized artificial intelligence to begin with. His work is vital for Copilot, Microsoft's AI-powered sensation. They're one of the few companies that's actually making money off the AI craze. But the craziness doesn't stop there. OpenAI has over 700 employees. More than 500 of them signed an open letter calling for the board of directors to resign. Even the guy who helped lead the board of directors' rebellion to fire Altman ended up signing it. It would seem that OpenAI, most recently valued at $80 billion, might be worth very little if everyone disappears. And why shouldn't they? Who wants to work for a dysfunctional organization? The diaspora of people that could come out of this place and go work for others is astounding in its breadth of death. I'm sure many will be hired by Microsoft, but it wouldn't shock me if Amazon, Meta, Adobe, or Alphabet pick some off too. Salesforce.com wants some.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.